Hi guys, my name is Jaya. Welcome to the tutorial channel. Okay, this time around I want to show you guys two FuelMe models specifically. Okay, two different models. The 911 GT3 RS. I do have two generations of the GT3 RS. This would be the 991.2 and this would be the 992. Okay, let's get straight to it. We'll view the 992 first. I do have it in white with the blue stripes. It does come with a number plate. Okay, so I would guess this is based on a real car, but I can't find pictures of it. Okay, so let me know if you know where does this plate come from. Okay, and then we get it out of the box. Okay, so FuelMe Porsche models has been really very popular. I am one of them that I got a couple of them. If you guys have followed me for a while, right, you guys would have seen my previous video. I've covered quite a few colors already. Let me get this one out. Hang on. Here we go. So since then, they have quite a few colors out already for two different generations of these Porsche, and quite a few of them, and some of them the pricing increased very quickly. Sorry, there's a sticker. Forgot. The price ran up very quickly, so I didn't go after all of them. I just have a couple of the ones that pass through my hands. Okay, so this too is some of them. Look at that. Damn. Very nice. The GT3 RS. Okay, this would be the 991.2. Okay, I've been trying to check. I have a feeling this is not the Weissach package. It doesn't have the Weissach package because the more obvious detail of the Weissach package would be the roll cage. Okay, the roll cage, the exposed carbon fiber roof and carbon fiber hood. But I understand that some of the owners has already, detailed the roof and the hood, but probably the roll cage, I don't think they'll remove it. So yeah, it doesn't. This particular model doesn't have that roll cage. Hence, I believe this is based on the non-Weissach package 991.2. Okay, so take a quick general look at it. Oh, love the front end on this thing. Very nicely done. Check out the headlamps. Very nicely done. Very beautiful. Look at that. The rims. So as an option for Weissach package, right, is the magnesium rims. Otherwise, with the magnesium rims, I think they expect to save about 11 kilograms of combined weight. Pretty crazy, right? Look at that. So the rear plates is already installed. The spare plates that's given probably is for the front. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nicely done by FuelMe. Oh, look at that. The tail lights. This rear view is crazy. Beautiful. I think I'm going to leave it on the base. I'll do that. Okay, so that's the 992. I want to take out the 993. Sorry, that's the 991.2. I want to take out the 992 to do a quick comparison with you guys. Okay, while I take this out, right, in the meantime, help me to hit the like button because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Okay, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so they don't miss on any of my other scale model videos as well. Okay, hang on, let me take this out and show it to you guys. There we go. So both limited to 299 units. Okay, as it says on the plate. Alright, so this is in gloss black, and I noticed this code here. So I guess this is the paint code, I guess. Let me know if you do know in the comment section below. Okay, I wonder what's that. I think that's the code for the paint. Okay, so a beautiful 992 with Weissach package in black and orange. I really like this color combination. In fact, one of my favorite Formula One livery would be orange arrows. If you guys are from my so-called my generation, you guys know the Formula One team arrows, right? Okay, give me a shout out in the comment section below. Okay, so as you can see, there's a roll cage in there. That's the carbon fiber roof. Look at that. Okay, the nostril arrow details in front here, that's very Weissach as well. See all the carbon fiber bits. Okay, so the biggest difference, right, between the 992 and the 991.2 is the aerodynamics. Okay, that's the biggest difference, because the 992, especially the Weissach package, right, it's actually it's extremely track focused. So it is slightly heavier than the 991.2. It has slightly lesser power actually. So the 991.2 does generate more torque and horsepower. The top speed is actually the same, if I'm not mistaken. The acceleration is the same as well. However, even with the extra horsepower, right, round the Nürburgring, the 992 is still much faster. Okay, I'll try and see if I can scroll my notes on the left here and see if I can find the time. But in the meantime, look at that. This is in black, so a lot of the details, you can't see much. But what I can tell you is the taillights, okay, go straight across. That's the very 992 signature design. Okay, that's tinted in black as well, so you can't see it, but it's there. All right, down here you can see there's the paint, and then there's this matte black finish on the bumper, which is just as the real car. There's a lot of arrow bits going on the rear bumper, okay, on the left and right, and even the diffuser, twin pipes down there. Okay, beautiful rims. There's the intake detail in orange as well, very nice. Okay, this will be the front end. Look at that, beautiful, very nicely made by FuelMe. Love these. Okay, cool. So quick stats comparison, right, between the two. So both runs 4.0 liter NA flat 6, okay, 520 horsepower for the 991.2. Okay, I'm just gonna switch it over a little bit easier for me. So 520 horsepower compared to 518, 2 horsepower less, 470 newton meters of torque, 465, 5 newton meters torque less, 9,000 RPM for both, 7-speed PDK transmission, 0 to 60 same, it's 3.2 seconds for both. And what else? So the 991 has more passive, they call it passive aerodynamics. The 992 has a lot of active aero. There's the DRS, there's multi-plane rear wing. Okay, yep, the rear wing is two planes. Okay, compared to, and there is also DRS. Compared to the 991, it's actually fixed, but you can adjust it manually. Okay, so roll cage. The Weissach package has it. The normal GT3 RS does not have the roll cage. What else? Nürburgring time, lap time. So the current production car record holder is actually the 2015 GT3 RS Weissach package. Okay, however, not bad at all. The 991 actually did it in 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Okay, so that's actually not bad at all. All right, price wise, of course, the 992 definitely is priced higher, $261 plus. Okay, it's still in production, if I'm not mistaken. All right, cool. It's crazy. Oh, so with all the active aero, right? Yeah, this one I need to point out. With all the active aero on the 992, it actually generates so much more downforce. In fact, I think 6 times more downforce at top speed. It generates 6 times more downforce compared to the 991. So this 992 GT3 RS is pretty crazy. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Let me know which do you prefer. Because when I did a quick search on YouTube, there are some YouTubers who actually, real owners, I'm talking about 121 cars, right? They usually prefer the 991.2 over the 992. let me know what you guys think, because visually, I don't know, it's really hard to choose between the both. I think it boils down to the rear, because the front does look similar, but the rear both looks great. So I'm stuck as well. Let me know what you guys think. Cool. So that's it for this time around. Make sure you hit the like button, because that'll help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any of my other scale model videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.